In our video on year-end celebration, we have discussed about an activity that you need to conduct during the event. So, what is this activity? Well, it's a math fair activity where all your students will present one small activity in front of all the parents. Let us know more about these activities. We have collected 15 activities for you. Each of these activities will showcase a math concept, use Mathbox manipulative, and will show how the concept is applicable in real world. A document with all the activities will be shared with you. This is a document that is shared with you. As you can see, one page is dedicated to each activity. To help you understand these activities better, let's take the example of the third activity from this document. This is the name of the activity, Building My Staircase. This activity is applicable for students of grades KG and 1. Each activity will have these topics: materials required, procedure, and script for the student. The materials required will mention all the things that are required for the activity. This includes Mathbox manipulatives, other types of materials required, like in this case toys or pictures, and other stationery items. The procedure is what the teacher needs to do. Read this part to understand each of the activity. The script for the student is a narrative that the student can practice and use while presenting the activity on the day of the event. This is a suggestive script. The student can use their own narrative as well. Now let us see how you can prepare for the event. Take a printout of the document shared with you with all the 15 activities. Select which activity is suitable for which child depending on their grades and their capabilities. Give the printed version of the activity to the child at least 2 weeks before the event for proper practice. Take a few minutes at your center to discuss about the activity with the students. Help them practice with the manipulatives and make them understand the concepts if required. Let them carry the printed version of their activity home to practice the script part. Take rehearsals and practice sessions with the students before the actual event. This is what you need to do on the day of the event. Set up a large area with seating arrangement for all the students and their parents. Keep an area fixed where the student can present his activity. Each student gets 3 to 4 minutes to do the activity assigned to him. Here are some important points to remember. If you have more than 12 students in your center, make groups depending on their grades and conduct separate year-end celebration events. This is keeping in mind that you might not have enough space at your center to accommodate all the students and their parents in one go. Use the examples given in the activity sheet only. Ask your students to not come up with new examples on the day of the event to avoid any inaccurate example. Make sure that you give enough time for the students to practice their activities. We suggest that you conduct the activity in early Feb, that is before the exams, or late March, that is after the exams are over. But this depends on what is decided by your respective city heads. Set expectations with the students to make them serious about the activity and keep reminding them to practice and make the event a success. We will come up with videos explaining each of these activities soon. So if you have any confusion with any activity, then wait for these videos to get your doubts cleared. Hope this video helped you understand the math fair better.